This is Tom. Let's say hello to Tom. Morning, Tom. And how are you able to look as strong as that? Look at his muscles. I wonder what he does to get those huge muscles. You are quite right. He does some exercises to keep his body strong and fit. In order for Tom to be clever at school, he needs to exercise his ears and his eyes. Did you know that your eyes have fine muscles all around it, and you have to take them to the gym each day so that you can be able to learn better and read better? It is true, you have to look after your eyes, and you have to exercise your eye muscles so that you can read better, faster, and understand what you read. Are you ready to take your eyes to the gym? Come with me. Sit up straight. Keep your head still. Only your eyes are allowed to move. Follow the animals with your eyes. They will appear and disappear. You will see them. There is a dinosaur. And a bee. Time to follow the dinosaur and the bee with your eyes. D for dinosaur. B for bee. Let's do another exercise. Follow the B and the D sounds with your eyes. Keep your head still. Another exercise that you can do to make your eye muscles stronger is the following. Let's have a look what we will need. Take a pencil or a stick. Print a picture of something that you like and you can paste it on top of the pencil or the stick. Hold on to the pencil and follow the picture with your eyes. I'll show you different ways to do that. Follow the dinosaur. There you go. Now you can take your eyes to the gym and you don't have to pay anything. Cool.